Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are gonna share with you incredibly delicious recipe of zucchini gratin. This is probably the first time you're gonna see this much tasty food. So, if you like our videos, guys, don't forget to click the like button and you can also subscribe to our channel. So let's get it started. So guys, let's see what type of ingredients are we gonna need for this. First of all, I'm gonna start with 3 pieces of zucchini. Then we are gonna need 1.5 glass of milk. It's fresh milk, guys. Then 2 tablespoons of flour. Then we are gonna need a little bit of salt and a little bit of black pepper. Also, we are gonna need butter. I have here approximately 2 tablespoons. Then about 150 grams of cheese. Then we are gonna need our olive oil. I have here 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Then a little bit of parsley, guys. So guys, we're gonna start with our olive oil. I'm taking a tray and I'm gonna put olive oil, and in order not to make it that much oily, I'm gonna make sure that our olive oil reaches all parts of our tray. I'm gonna take our zucchinis and start placing them like this. Guys, this is a recipe for 2 person, and if you want to make for more, you can just make it accordingly. Guys, after the second placement of zucchinis, then you take olive oil and you again make sure that it gets oil. Now when I again start placing on top of our zucchinis our olive oil. So in the first term you have to place 2 sets of zucchinis and then you put olive oil. In here, after every placement of zucchinis, you start placing and spreading olive oil all over. That's it, guys. So right now I'm taking zucchini and I'm placing to our preheated oven. So I'm gonna preheat for 10 minutes and then I'm gonna place zucchinis for 25 minutes. Guys, for 25 minutes we will cook our zucchinis. Guys, I'm opening the fire on the highest level. This is the butter. Just make sure it melts. So guys, after your butter is melted, we make the fire on medium, a little bit lower than medium actually, and then I'm gonna add here our 2 tablespoons of flour. Just add all of them. Then you mix them up and make sure it doesn't have any kind of mess, and just mix all the time, guys. Kind of mess like this of flour, just break it up and then keep mixing. I'm gonna add our 1/2 of glass of milk. Right after that, I'm gonna add our salt and pepper. Just add all of them and then mix it up. Guys, this is how bechamel sauce looks like when it's about to get ready. What I want is I want it to be a little bit more thicker than now. So guys, this is the beautiful thickness that I wanted for our bechamel sauce. See how it looks like? It's thick and it starts smelling well. You will start smelling black pepper a little bit. So at this stage, I'm gonna close it. So guys, our zucchini has been 25 minutes in 200 degrees and it looks like this right now. So what are we gonna do here is we have prepared our bechamel sauce and we are gonna start adding it and making sure we all have here even. Just make sure that you add all the good things and place them like this. Just make sure that we don't see zucchinis here anywhere in open position, so just close. Guys, I'm gonna take our parsley and just spread it out. If you like any kind of other green things, then you can just use them. We like parsley, that's why I'm using parsley, guys. Now guys, I'm taking it back and I'm gonna place for another 15 minutes. Again, the Celsius is the same, it's 200 degrees, and for 15 more minutes. Guys, it's time for our food to get mixed with the cheese. So here I have our food. What we do is we take our cheese and we spread it around. It's gonna be cheesy, it's gonna be creamy and perfectly delicious, guys, to be mixed with. And to now we're gonna place it back. We are placing for another 10 minutes now. See you guys, 10 minutes has passed. So guys, it wasn't really exactly the color that I wanted, so I extended for 5 more minutes after adding the cheese. So now this is how I wanted the perfect look of our cheesy zucchini gratin. I wanted to show you how it looks like inside, that's why I'm gonna cut it. See this crispy look in here? Guys, it's totally perfect. Bon appetit, guys. Enjoy your meal. Thank you for watching us, guys. If you like our videos, don't forget to click the like button, and you can also subscribe to our channel. Wishing you all to have a great, nice, and delicious evening. Goodbye, guys.